Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that PlayZap token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, PlayZap represents a pioneering approach to the gaming industry, leveraging blockchain technology to create a skill-based competitive gaming platform. It distinguishes itself by integrating a sustainable token economy and utilizing non-fungible token NFTs to enhance the gaming experience. The core philosophy of the PlayZap is free to play, skill to earn, which encourages players to increase in various competitive formats. These formats include daily leagues, group competitions, or player to player PvP battles, providing a dynamic and engaging gaming environment. PlayZap project institution rating is 4. PlayZap token total supply is 144.47 million and circulating supplies around 111.25 million PZP token. PZP token is listed on Gate.io, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.